You'll practice basic Korean words.
Korean family words. Father. Abaji. Mother. Amoni. Husband. Nampion. Wife. Ane. Son. Adul. Daughter. Tall. Grandson. Sunja. Granddaughter. Sunnyo. Elder brother. Hyung. Younger brother. Namdongsang. Elder sister. Enni. Younger sister. Yodongsang. Uncle. Samchan. Aunt. Gomo. Nephew. Namjoka. Niece. Yojoka. Grandfather. Halabaji. Grandmother. Halmeoni. Husband's father. Sia Baji. Husband's mother. Seo Muni. Wife's father. Jong-in. Wife's mother. Jungmo. Son-in-law. Sawi. Daughter-in-law. Mu Nuli. I. Na. You. Na. He. Gu Namja. She. Guioja. We. Uli. Darling. Jaggy. Who. Nugu. Anyone. Amuna. Well done, you just learned family words. Korean food words. Soup. Gug. Noodle. Gugzu. Ramyun. Lamyun. Steamed rice. Bab. Bread. Faung. Porridge. Jug. Broth. Tong. Meal. Sigsa. Gim. Gim. Kimchi. Gimchi. Namul. Namul. Pancake. Bu chimgae. Dubu. Dubu. Mandu. Mandu. Skewered food. San jayog. Side dish. Banchan. Beer. Mekju. Soju. Soju. Milk. Uyu. Drink. Leo. Barley tea. Balicha. Coffee. Kopi. Cookie. Guaja. Candy. Satang. Broil. Gubda. Stir fry. Bakda. Cook. Gista. Boil. Kualida. Ferment. Damguda. Blanch. Dachida. Pickle. Jellida. Deep fry. Twigida. Well done, you just learned food words. Korean time words. Daytime. Naj. Bright. Balda. Nighttime. Bomb. Dark. Adubda. Early morning. Achim. Evening. Jonyak. Dawn. Sabiag. Dusk. Hijiliak. Morning. Ojan. Afternoon. Ohu. Noon. Jongo. Midnight. Jajang. Yesterday. Ajay. Today. Oneil. Tomorrow. Nail. The day after tomorrow. Moray. Sunday. Ilioil. Monday. Walioil. Tuesday. Wayoil. Wednesday. Suyoil. Thursday. Mogyoil. Friday. Kumyoil. Saturday. Toil. Holiday. Gonghyul. Week. Ju. First day of month. Chahalu. Last day of month. Kumamnal. Season. Kajol. Last year. Jagnyan. This year. Kumnyan. Next year. Nayanyan. New year. Say hey. Well done, you just learned time words. Korean number words. 1. Ha na. 2. dull. 3. Says. 4. Ness. 5. Dacios. 6. Yosios. 7. Ilgob. 8. Yodeolb. 9. Ahob. 10. Yol. 11. Yohana. 12. Yoldol. 100. Vague. 1,000. Cheon. Million. Begman. Billion. Sea buck. 0. Young. 1st. Ill. 2nd. E. 3rd. Psalm. 4th. Saw. 5th. O. 6th. Yug. 7th. Chill. 8th. Pal. 9th. Goo. 10th. Sib. 1 cup. Han Jan. 2 pounds. Do gun. 3 sheets. Say jang. 4 pieces. Nay gay. 5 miles. Oh ma il. Well done, you just learned number words. Korean city life words. Apartment. Apateo. House. Chuteg. Hotel. Hotel. Hospital. Byungwon. Medical clinic. Uiwon. Pharmacy. Yaggug. Educational academy. Hagwon. Library. Dosiagwon. Museum. Batmolwon. Church. Kyohei. Temple. Jul. Stadium. Gyeonggijang. Theater. Gugjang. Cinema. Yeongwagwon. Office. Samuso. Company. Haesa. Restaurant. Sigdong. Cafe. Kape. Bakery. Jagajam. Shop. Songjam. Marketplace. Sijang. Convenience store. Pyeonwijam. Supermarket. Supermarket. Department store. Baekgwajam. Laundry. Setagso. Hair salon. Myeongsil. Bus stop. Besujangliujang. Subway station. Jihacheolyag. Parking lot. Gongyeongju-shijang. Park. Gongwon. Factory. Gongjang. Warehouse. Chongo. Well done, you just learned city life words.
See you in the next video.